Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do a zoom to extend programmatically. Well, these lines of code you might have already found on the internet, but what needs to be embedded to make them compile? This I will show you now. So we go to Dependencies, then we go to Add Assembly References, we go to Browse, and Browse. So, and in your BricsCAD installation folder, we select the DLL interop.bricscadapp.dll. Click Add. This is already checked. OK. And finally, we add the using of the namespace BricsCAD app. That's all. Thanks for watching.